Hello. If th- Hello. In this video, I will show you how to fix Cinema HD app not working. Now it's a very easy process. All you have to do is first to go to your phone setting. Then just simply search for apps. And after that, click on the app section with the gear option. Then click on manage apps. Now just simply search for Cinema HD. Then open Cinema HD. Now, in the very bottom, you will have the option of clear data. So click on clear all data. Then click on OK. Now after that, just simply try to relaunch the application and see if you're still facing the issue or not. And if you're still facing the issue, just simply try to uninstall the application and reinstall the application. So again, come to the exact page and then just simply click on uninstall and hit OK. And then wait for a few seconds. After that, just simply reinstall the application. And once the application is again installed, the issue will be most probably fixed. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.